Okay, welcome back. We're at level 1, round 4. You're in your comfy, stable chair. You're sitting at the edge with an elongated spine. Your belly button is pulled into your spine, and we're going to do up on toes. So you're working your calf muscles by lifting up onto your toes and down and up and down. And we're going to do 15. Good, that's 3 and 4. Good, count out loud.
5,
6. Good. 7. Fantastic.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Those look great.
13,
If you want to make it a little harder,
14.
you can press down with your hands and give yourself your own resistance.
Oh,
Good. Take a breather. We don't want any cramps. You can stretch them out if you want. And when you're ready, round 2. Up and down on your toes,
1,
15 times.
2, 3,
You feel the difference?
4,
Got some good resistance going through those calves already.
6, 7, 8,
These can start to cramp pretty quickly.
9,
You would just extend the leg out. You can reach down and rub it, pull your toes to your nose.
11,
It's hard to work through cramps, so feel free to stretch. Listen to your body.
14, 15.
Nice. All right, the second exercise, good. She's going to do a little calf stretch.
Ah, yeah, that feels good.
Excellent. Most stretches feel good afterwards. Okay, we're going to do side bends next. So don't overdo it. You've got an elongated spine. Your belly button's pulled in. You're going to slide your hand just past your knee. Good. And then again to the other side. You want a nice stretch over here, but just a small one. Breathe in and out on the movement. And 2. And 3. 3. Good. Notice she's not dropping forward. She's not rounding out.
4,
Excellent posture. Always is rule number 1.
5,
Her eyes are up.
6, 6,
Very good.
7, 7,
Again, if you have any kind of spine precautions,
8,
you know that you aren't supposed to do this.
8,
So feel free to improvise.
9,
You can do marches, you can do kicks, arm raises, just keep moving.
10,
Almost there.
11, 12,
Her smile muscles are getting
12,
a very good workout.
13,
This is how she looks so unbelievably gorgeous. That smile.
15, you're making me
Good. Rest. That was fantastic. Look how it blows by when you're having fun. Okay, the last one. We're doing arm raises to the front. So just go about shoulder height and down. And up and down. Good. Core is in. Spine is elongated. Her posture is always beautiful. But if you're like me and most people, you need these reminders.
5,
Good.
6, 7, 8,
Again, if you can't bring it this high,
9,
you go as high as you can. It's the effort. You will get there. But if you have pain or crunching in your joints, you don't want to push through that. So just do what you can. If you have to just work right here,
13,
then that's it. We want good quality.
14, 15.
Nice. We're going to end with bicep curls. You're bending only at the elbow and straightening at the elbow. It's the only joint moving.
1,
There you go.
2,
Beautiful.
3, 4,
Beautiful job.
5, 6,
You're more than welcome to grab some tiny weights. If you have them, you can grab whatever you have at home. Little cans of soup work just fine.
10,
If you really try to put some tension in the muscle, You wouldn't even need the weights. You can create your own tension.
13,
One more.
14,
15. Good. Take a breather. We've got one final set of 15 bicep curls, and then we're done with round 4.
1,
Good.
2, 3,
Good. And look at her eye line. It's perfect. She's always looking up.
5,
A lot of people have a tendency to fall forward and look down. You want to work those shoulders back by squeezing the muscles between the shoulder blades. And then find something on the wall to give you a good eye line, a neutral eye line. You don't want to see the floor. You don't want to see the ceiling. You always want to be looking right here.
13,
Just a nice neutral chin level.
15.
Yay! Congratulations. Take a break. We'll see you in an hour on your back, on the bed or the mattress. And that's our final round, round 5 for level 1. See you in an hour.